Hi guys! I know it's been a while since I've done like vlogs or videos. I've been in like Anime Expo Con crunch mode for the last 2 months. I've had no time to do literally anything except for make cosplay and not finish my cosplays in time for Anime Expo. But yeah, I am back from Anime Expo, so I figured I'll start us off with a merch haul vlog of everything I bought at Anime Expo. So yeah, here's the stuff I bought in both the exhibit hall and Artist Alley, as well as some stupid stuff I bought at Little Tokyo as well. First off, we're gonna go with, this is probably the main thing I was planning to buy at Anime Expo. OMOCAT. I only have a few OMOCAT things right now, but I wanted to get more of them. So, I obviously bought the OMOCAT Miku Expo hoodie because honestly, this should have been merch at Miku Expo. I mean, I'm usually too late to show up and buy merch at Miku Expo anyway, so it works for me, but I bought this because, yeah, it was at Miku Expo LA. I'm totes gonna wear this now. But yeah, no, this thing is super comfy. And it's really well done. Like, they put prints all over it. So there's print on the front bit, there's an O1 on the arm, not to mention like the huge print on the back. And this hoodie is super comfy. I've already been wearing it a lot since I got it, so definitely worth the money. And I still gotta pick up some more of that Miku OMOCAT collab merch later. Next, I got some stuff from this brand, which I have not seen before, but they have a lot of cute stuff. This brand is called Miss Octopie, Octopie, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. So I actually got a Sylveon skirt from them. It's super cute print. Super cute Sylveon skirt. And it was a large, but it basically like fits like a medium. It's kind of like the only sizing we had there, but super duper cute. And I also got a matching Sylveon necklace. So yeah, super cute. And they weren't too badly priced either. I also bought a Galaxxy bracelet from the fashion brand. All the fashion brands this year that were at the fashion show were actually put into the Artist Alley, so I bought just a Galaxxy bracelet. It was about $30, which is about how much accessories cost from Japanese brands. But this is also really cute too. Basically just buying all that holographic stuff that is left. And it has a little ghost pendant on it. Also from Artist Alley, I got this really cute bunny hoodie from S2 Heart Designs, which I also hadn't heard of before, but I just caught my eye, so I bought it. It's like a crop hoodie. It's also really comfy. So yeah, that was pretty much all the clothes that I bought at AX. Then I also bought my trash Daki. I got an Az in the Daki. This is my first Daki Makura, and obviously it's Asuna. Definitely bootleg, but honestly I don't care. It wasn't that pricey. And then this is the lewd side. But like, I've seen worse Dakimakuras honestly as far as the lewds go, so I ain't gonna complain. I have no idea what this outfit is. I think it's OC, it's some made version of Asuna or something. But then here's our normal version. I need to get a pillow that sucks less, but this one was cheap, so. Wow. There was a few booths selling like the same Dakimakuras all around the exhibit hall, so it really was not hard to find her. It's my first Daki. I'm still on the lookout for an Amelia Daki. I never know. I may get one of the official ones for Amelia, but those are really expensive. Goodbye. And then I bought some little things from the Artist Alley. I got these cute casual Teen Titans keychains because I cosplayed casual Starfire on Sunday of the con, and that's when I went to Artist Alley, so I had to get them. And then I also got this really cute polymer clay boba keychain. Honestly, I just bought them because they were cute and shiny, and the boba keychain reminds me of Porter's boba visual that he uses for his Clarice Irony remix. So basically it's because I'm basic. So those are all of the like Artist Alley stuff I got. And then I bought some stuff at Little Tokyo. Originally I went there and I was like, I'm not allowed to go to the Sanrio store because I will spend all my money. And then I went to a random market and then I ended up buying Hello Kitty soy sauce. I haven't even opened it yet. I honestly just got it for the bottle because obviously we have soy sauce already, but I can keep the bottle and then just refill it with soy sauce later. So my aesthetic Hello Kitty soy sauce. Plus we also, me and my waifu ended up buying the Hello Kitty wine because it's actually really impossible to get in Utah. Not surprisingly. I tried it. I'm just not really an alcohol or a wine person, so it wasn't bad, but I mainly just wanted the bottle because it's super cute. So mostly my friends ended up drinking the actual wine. Wasn't really that much in it though. But yeah, this is super cute. I'll put flowers in it or something. But honestly, even the box is super cute. These are both at just the Japanese market in Little Tokyo. As well as there was a like cosmetic store in there and I got a Hello Kitty face mask. And then when I finally did go to the Sanrio store, I didn't let myself buy like anything, though I really wanted some of the luggage. I know their luggage is always like $200 plus, so I couldn't afford it. So I ended up buying just a pencil. It's one of the cheapest things you can buy at the Sanrio store, and it was like $7. And they did give me a free Hello Kitty stamp, and even the little mini bag is super cute. So all in all, I didn't even buy that much stuff, but I still spent at least $300, so money well wasted. Who knows, maybe someday I'll go with proper spending money and buy a lot more next year. I almost bought a new Shimakaze, but I was dissuaded from buying her. Otherwise that would have been like the only figure I bought, I guess. So yeah, that was my merch haul. Me and I was gonna say bye. See you guys in the next video. Oh god, that was really cringy. I'm sorry. Bye.